Hey Team Lexan, I'm Will, and today we want to talk about pairing the Q3 and or the S35 speakers. You can pair Q3 speakers to other Q3 speakers. You can pair S35 to other S35s, but you can also pair the S35 to the Q3 speakers. I'm going to show you that procedure now, and just know you can use the same pairing procedure for any variation that you're running. To start, you need to power on both units.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode.
Once both units are powered on, you're going to start by triple clicking the power button on either unit but not both. You've now successfully paired these two speakers together. Something to keep in mind, the music and the volume can be changed with one remote. It does not need to be changed with both. You can use either one for those changes. You can also power off both units with one remote. I'll show you that now.
Power off.
And then when you power it back on, once this pairing's been made, they will re-pair back together.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth.
And now they have repaired themselves. And that's how you pair your S35s or your Q3s. If you have any questions, hit us up at info@lexanmotorcycles.com.